So friends, I'm going to demonstrate the configuration of Frame Relay. Now, Frame Relay is a packet switching telecommunication service that is designed for cost-efficient data transmission for intermittent traffic. The Frame Relay provides a packet switching data communication capability that can be used across interfaces between user devices and network equipment. Now, Frame Relay creates sub-interfaces. So, in one interface, we can have more than one addresses. So to give the sub interfaces, first I'll show you the topology. So suppose this is the topology. Now in this interfaces, each and every interfaces will have a sub interface. So as you can see, DLCI 102, it means the interfaces that will connect router 1 and router 2 via this path. Now DLCI 103, so it will connect router 1 and router 3 via this path. So this one point, the right hand side will go to router 2 and the left hand side will go to router 3. For example, DLCI 301, it means router 3 to router 1 via this path, and DLCI router 302 means router 3 to router 2 via this path. So one single interface can be divided in two ways. So we'll go to the configuration. So first step is to configure the frame relay encapsulation on the serial interfaces. So to do that, first serial interface name followed by the command encapsulation frame relay and no start. Then the configure frame relay encapsulation on the interfaces of router 2 and 3, the similar thing. Then we have to test the connectivity. The connection will fail because the router does not have to route does not have any route to reach this network. As you can see here, this connection will fail. So to configure the sub interfaces, what we have to do is configure router 1 to use sub interfaces DLC 102. So it is used to communicate from router 1 to router 2, while 103 will communicate from router 3 to 1. So sub interface number, uh, this interface dot 2, it will create a sub interface followed by the command point to point. Then give the IP address and frame relay interface DLC number 102, followed by sub interface, the creation of sub interface, that is interface name dot 3 point to point, followed by the IP address, mask, and frame relay interface DLC number. So in this way we can create the sub interfaces. And now we have to create the router. We have to add entire network to ARGRP autonomous system 1. So we'll do the normal routing ARGRP1 followed by the network addresses. Then in router 2 also we'll create the sub interfaces as stated above, and we'll make the EIGRP route. Same goes for the router 3. So after this is done, we'll verify the connection using this troubleshooting commands. So this is topology, this is the addressing table, and once we are done completely, we'll be able to ping all the PCs and servers. And while we are creating the sub interfaces, we have to go to the cloud, uh, and then we have to go to frame relay where we can just uh, configure the serial and the sub interfaces. So this is the serial sublink, and this is the configuration that I have done, and this is the troubleshooting command. So show frame relay map, it will show all the DLC and whether it is active or not. Frame relay PVC, it will show the different status, whether it is active, DLCI usage, etc. Then followed by frame relay LMI. So frame relay LMI will give some statistics for serial interfaces. So this in this way we can just troubleshoot using these commands. So this is how the normal frame relay configuration is done. Thanks for watching.